In this example, we will be demonstrating how to redact objects, or in this case, faces from body-worn camera footage. We'll begin by selecting the ellipse tool since we're going to be redacting the face. We'll begin by drawing an ellipse around the face that we want to redact. Once we let go, it creates a new layer and it adds our first keyframe right at the beginning where we create the object on the screen. This keyframe marks the beginning of where this redaction will take place. In order to properly track and redact this object, we need to have a minimum of 2 keyframes. One to mark the beginning, which we've already done, and then one to mark the end. So I'll go ahead and move this down, and that marks the end. You'll see here in the layer, it's going to begin to process the tracking between these 2 keyframes, between this first keyframe and the second keyframe. We can come up here to our layer name and edit that layer name. So let's change this to man 1. We've basically finished that first person, and we're going to go back and repeat this process again for the second person. We'll go ahead and change this to man 2. Now we're basically done. We can go ahead and hit play, and you can see we're tracking and redacting each person's face.
Is it alright? Is there a problem?
No, just checking out on you guys.
This is just for the preview.
Parked here.